Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to add your own sound on your Instagram story. So I'm going to show you my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone, you can follow the same steps. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here you can see I have opened my Android phone and I'm going to open the Instagram. So it's opening, yeah. So if I add story from here, so here I have first I need to add the stories. I have to record the stories. Okay, if I record stories, then I can add music from here. Okay, okay, then we can add music from here. Okay, there is a music button, you can see. You have to click on music, this one, and here you can find music. Okay, you can search from here, you can play from here, or you can add directly just by clicking on it. Okay, it will be add on your stories. But if you not find it, any music, the music you want to be your story music, so you can get from outside, like you can use stick. Okay, first you can use editor I use, which is called video shop. Okay, so it's called video shop. So I use this editor to add my own sound to my Instagram story. So just open it and you will see interface like this. So you have to first record your story, then add from here from your mobile. Just import story from mobile. So I have many videos, like, so just importing. Okay, it's opening now. It's take time. Okay, so my gallery is open now, so I just select one video out of this and just click on done. Okay, so you can see story will be input on this you know uh, yeah, editor. Now you have to add audio from here. First you have to record audio from voice recorder. Okay, any many and so every phone, Android phone or iPhone, has own inbuilt voice recorder software. You have to record your voice from the voice software. Okay, so go to the music. Okay, click on music, then you will see option like featured my music and sound. You can get free copyright free music from here. Okay, any like romantic, classic, happy, anything. But you have to go in my music. In my music you will see your mobile songs or files. Okay, so you have to record sound from voice recording application. Then you have to find this record file. You have to, or you can click on this artist file. You will see the folder name. Okay, so here I have the many audio recorded file here. So just select anyone. So I just select this one. Okay, netcast. Okay, I just select this one. Okay, so your audio file will be import. You can play from here. You can see it is playing. I don't know, my mobile is slow. So here you can see guys, the voice is playing. Now you have to play from here. You have to check voice is better, good or not. So just check voice and go to click on done. Okay, so this voice will be import on this video, and now you can play video and you can see voice, or background voice or music also. You do not, maybe you unable to hear, but you can see I can hear now. Okay, so now you have to just stop it and click on next, and just okay. you can edit like if you want to add tags or anything, you can add from here. But now you have to go in after finalize, you can click on share. After share, you can direct share in Instagram stories, or you can save to gallery. Okay, so it will be saved to your gallery. Now you can import stories to your Instagram, this video to your Instagram story. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for